Do you know many people are having trouble with removing the freezer drawer from their Whirlpool WRF560SEYM refrigerator? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Open drawer fully. Open the freezer drawer to its full extension. Step 2. Loosen glide screws. Loosen the 4 screws attaching the drawer glides to the drawer front. Keep the screws in the drawer front. Step 3. Lift drawer front. Lift the drawer front upward and off the screws. Step 4. Slide glides out. Slide the drawer glides out of the freezer compartment. Step 5. Insert screws back. Insert the screws in the top of the drawer front into the slots in the drawer brackets. Step 6. Secure screws tightly. Ensure all 4 screws are tightly secured. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily remove and reassemble the freezer drawer on your Whirlpool refrigerator. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Whirlpool users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.